Uh, 2017 BMW 330i, passenger side, Edsel. I want to remove all these covers, okay? You see, I like that. All this, look like an 8 millimeter. And then we're going to do this one. As you expose the Edsel, after you remove the covers, you just got to tip it here. Tip it, fit it, push it out. You're going to need an H17 for this. It look like this. I'm not gonna lie, I also gonna do the struts. The strut. I did this side already, driver's side. This one you just pop it. It's easy though. Just because he's European doesn't mean that he is Mission Impossible. You know what I'm saying? It's not. It's easy. Very easier than American cars. Anyways, now that's just way to strut. Okay, and I'm gonna do that so two at the same time. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna lose this guy. I'm gonna lose this guy. I have this tool. I'm gonna go over here, bottom top. This is the 10 millimeter. It's gonna open the knuckle, and the strut's gonna come out easily. I also have a tool here because I'm gonna bring. This is it. You don't need a bar, pry bar. Maybe lose this one. Maybe 21. Maybe we'll see. Let's get it. And the link bottom top there. It's gonna be a 15 or 16. Put a flat screwdriver here so it doesn't rotate when you try to lose this one. Scoochie now. Oh, 6.5. This guy is good too. Okay, I'm gonna lose this one. Like I told you, it's better if you have power tools. You do it anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So you invest some money in your power tools. Power tools. Yep. I'm gonna remove this guy. Just like that. Put it to the side. So good. Now we're gonna use this guy and put it right in the middle. And we're gonna turn this and it's gonna open it. And this guy we're gonna pry it down with a pry bar and this baby. You see, that's how I pry it. That's how I set it up. Okay. This guy's coming. You see it, right? See that? That's what separates the knuckle. You turn it on the sky like that. And you can tap over there, like I told you earlier. This guy's turning 10 millimeter counterclockwise. Come off. Let's try with this. This is power. Okay. Put a rack or something. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. This guy right here. That's E18. Don't forget to pop these guys too. So clips. Lift it. This guy just lift it like that. Put a rack like I told you. Ba 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 ba. 5 on this guy. New axle. Put some grease over here. Over here. Comes with a new stud with the old ring and the spring. Alright, let's take out the old one. Install the new one. Alright, you're gonna need to push it. This guy, put the ball there. This guy. Put it in there. The old one though. For a little bit. Put a little bit inside. Hit it with a hammer. Or a plastic one. That should be it. Should go in. Then remove it, put the new one. I'm gonna put back the strut. Okay. You don't need another hand though. So. So it's there. I'm gonna put the bolts and tight it. Tight it all the way, okay? It's gonna align. Once you tight it, we put it back here. Alright? Pretty much. You know when it's aligned here because these nipples. Okay. This is the fastest way, for real. Yeah, same way you remove it, same way you put it back. Pry it down, push it, align it, it's gonna go in. A lot of people put it in first, the strut, put it in, and then they try to put it in, try to, and they're gonna scratch all this, more tension, it's heavier, but they damage this part. So I'm good with this though. Pretty easy. This is the easiest, the fastest, pretty much. Strut and axle. Now you know how to do it. Put everything back. Same way. This thing you gotta line it down. Just to turn it. And it's gonna go, the strut is gonna go deeper. This thing, this little thing. I gotta line it here in the middle. That's it. That's it. New strut, new axle. That's it. Put everything back. All one right there. All right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. That's pretty much it. You know what to do. Support the channel. Love you all. Pause. Take care. I like your boy. 2017 330i. BMW. Yeah.